Hello, welcome to netvn. In this video I show how to install Windows 11 directly on NVMe SSD without USB hard drive. This is my NVMe hard drive, it's 256 gigabytes. To install Windows directly onto NVMe I have a box like above. It includes a box and a connection cable. You open the box and plug in the hard drive. Next you close the box. You then connect the box to the cable. You connect it to a Windows desktop or laptop computer. On a Windows computer, go to the Microsoft homepage and download the latest Windows 11 installer. You select a language and download the file with the extension ISO. Here is the file after downloading. How to install Windows 11 onto NVMe. You use a tool called Rufus. You download the latest version of this software. You open the software called Rufus. By default you do not see the hard drive in the list, so you enable List USB hard drive. NVMe will appear in the list. You browse to the file you just downloaded in the previous step. Image option Windows to go. You can rename the label if you want. Next, select the version of Windows 11 operating system you want to install. In this case I install Windows 11 Pro. Rufus will erase the data on the hard drive and apply the Windows Pro image to it. You wait a few minutes to complete. Windows 11 Pro image has been applied to the hard drive. Next, remove the box from your Windows computer. Then you open the box and remove the hard drive. You connect the hard drive to the target computer. On the target computer go to the UEFI BIOS to make sure it has detected the hard drive. Also make sure the target computer boots from NVMe. You restart the computer and set it up for the first time running Windows 11. If you want to install Windows 11 with a local account, then disconnect the target computer's internet connection. You open the command window with the key combination CTRL F10. Then you enter the command as above. The target computer will restart. Make sure your computer is disconnected from the internet. After reboot, you install Windows 11 without internet. You are required to create a local account. After Windows 11 boots successfully, you connect to the internet for the target computer. So I finished installing Windows 11 directly onto an NVMe SSD. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and help me 600,000 subscribers.